Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be doing a little unboxing. So for today, I'm going to do the little unboxing. This is the Boxycharm. It's a monthly subscription and I'm going to tell you if it's worth it or not. This is the box. It comes with 5 full-size items each month and I think the box is valued at over $140 every month or... Well, yeah, this is my box. This is my October box I got this month. I just received this last week. And I'm gonna go ahead and tell you what I got this month. So for the first item I got is this Glassy Pretty Filter Skin Balm. It's a glass skin balm and it's by Touch and Soul. I'm assuming this is a... Oh, so this is an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensational smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. So this is a primer. This retails for, let me tell you, this Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm retails for $32. Next thing I got is the Tarte Pro Glow. And this is just a liquid highlighter. So yeah, this is just a liquid highlight, and this Pro Glow liquid highlighter retails for $29. I also received this sponge. This is the Illuminati Cosmetic Sponge. It's latex. It's a latex-free sponge. It's a little harder than the sponges I usually like to use, but we're gonna go ahead and try it out anyways. And this sponge is a cosmetic sponge and this retails for $21. Next is the iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss. This is in the color Nearly Nude. I like that. I like anything that's nude. And this retails for $26. And lastly, this is the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. These are the Marvelous Muaves. This eyeshadow palette has 5 eyeshadow pans and this retails for $32. All of this, everything in this little box comes out to $140 and I only paid $20. So yeah, hope you guys like this, and if you want to know what's good or not, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the eyes. Let's go ahead and get this baby out of this box. So yeah, these are all just plum colors. So this is like a perfect palette for fall. I'm just gonna start off with priming my eyes and carving my eyebrows with the p.louise base. I'm gonna use the brush the eyeshadow palette came with, so I'm gonna be picking up this color, and this is the color Wishy Washy. I'm gonna start working this into my crease. Oh, that's really dark. Okay, that doesn't look as dark in the pan. So yeah, I'm just gonna putting that in my crease. The eyeshadows, they're pretty. The payoff is they're pretty pigmented, but they do have a lot of fallout. So that's the only bad thing about them. But it doesn't bother me, but it might bother someone else. So I'm gonna take a fluffier brush. So going in with a Makeup Shack T88 brush and picking up the color Rosy, this color right here. And I'm just gonna put this right above that Wishy Washy color. So going in with this color now, this is the color Spaced Out. I'm gonna put this above that crease shadow I first put on. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this over that. And then I'm also gonna be putting this color on my on my eyelid. So just patting that on. Okay, so, and just because I want to try all the colors of this palette, I'm going to try this color. This is the darkest shadow in the palette, and this is in the color Wine Stain. So I'm just going to go back into the brush that the palette came with and picking that color up. And just mainly focusing this color on the outer V of my eye. So now I'm going in with some eyeliner, and this is the NYX Matte Liquid Eyeliner. It was my first time trying it not so long ago. There we go. It's really pretty. So I'm just gonna put this on and do a wing. So okay, so eyelashes are on, and now moving on to my face. I'm gonna going in with this, the Touch and Soul Glass Balm. So I guess this is a primer. It's supposed to be like hydrating, and it's supposed to make your skin look like glass. So I'm gonna open this up. Okay, so it's like a cream. So yeah, it's like a cream. It feels nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this all over my face. Oh wow, that's like super, that is super dewy. Okay. Yeah, this definitely leaves your skin looking like glass. I like it. It looks nice. It doesn't feel like greasy. I'm gonna use this Tarte Pro Glow liquid highlighter, and I'm only gonna put this on like this high point of the high points of my face with my ring finger. I'm gonna go ahead and just pat this right here. So I'm just gonna pat this like where I would usually put highlight. So put some on my nose. I'm actually gonna put some of this on my cheeks because I do like I do like glowy cheeks. So, and just pat this in like that. So now moving on to foundation, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Urban Dream Cover Foundation. I'm gonna use this Smashbox sheer foundation brush, and I'm just gonna start working this on my face. So I'm just gonna spread this evenly throughout my face. And then with that sponge, I'm just gonna blend it all out. Make sure there's no streaks. So foundation is on, and my skin is looking definitely very dewy, more than usual. So moving on to concealer. This is the Juvia's Place concealer. I am in the color number 18. I don't like the sponge at all. So I'm just not gonna use this to blend out my concealer. Instead, I'm just gonna use this one. This is by the Makeup Shack sponge. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this instead. So I'm gonna use a brush to blend it out, and then with the sponge, I'm just gonna go over it. Okay, so I did my lower lash line, And I also put some white eyeliner in my waterline just to make my eyes pop a little more and so they don't look so dark. So moving on to my and then I also set my face and my under eyes with the Anastasia setting powder. So now moving on to my bronzer. I'm using the L'Oreal bronzer, of course, with my Duo fiber brush. And just putting this, just warming up the cheeks. For blush, I'm going to use these. Just use all the colors. This is Alamar Cosmetics, the trio blushes. I'm just going to use all the colors and start dusting this on my cheeks. And now I'm going to set my face. This is the this is just an e.l.f. hydrating coconut mist. So okay, and then for lips for today, I'm going to use the Morphe lip liner in Sugar Pie, the Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint and unbutton, and the Iconic London lip plumping gloss. So just gonna put my lips on really quick. And then for some highlights, just this Maybelline Master Chrome highlight. I'm just gonna put this on like the high points of my face. Of course, all of this right here. Now we're done. This is my completed look. A nice bold eye, some nude lips. Now I'm going to tell you guys what I liked and what I didn't like. So I for sure did not like this beauty sponge. I feel that you can buy, this is $21, so I feel you can buy some more inexpensive alternatives that are going to work even better than this and perform amazing. I liked this lip gloss. The only thing I didn't like is the applicator. It's very like flimsy and it doesn't pick up as much product. You really have to, you know, go back in with more product and put that on. So, but other than that, the formula is amazing. I like it. It's a plumping gloss, so it doesn't make my lips feel tingly at all. If anything, it makes them feel very fresh, which I like. So I liked that. This face primer, this Glass Balm, so far I like it. I have to see throughout the day how my makeup performs on top of it, but so far I like it. Very hydrating. If you have dry skin, this is amazing. This Tarte Pro Glow liquid highlighter. I'm not really into liquid highlighters, but if you are, this is a great product. It looks nice on the skin. And this eyeshadow palette, Dose of Colors Marvolous Muaves. Just wish I would have gotten the one with warm tones, but this is gorgeous. You do get 5 eyeshadow pans and they are super pigmented and they're amazing. They do have a little bit of fallout, which I don't mind, but some people that might be something they don't like. So yeah, overall I think this is a great box. I liked everything I got except for that sponge. And yeah, I think Boxycharm is amazing. I think it's worth it. So I hope you guys really liked this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.